Good morning, Collegiate Academy. Today, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make crepes. You might notice that I'm making these at night. That's because I'm making them as a dessert. Doesn't have to be breakfast food. I'm also going to be making crepes for 2 or 1 person, so if you want to double this recipe, that's easily possible. So for the ingredients. First, you're going to need 1 cup of milk. Whole milk is best for this, but it's not the only choice. The only one I would not recommend using is skim milk. You're going to need 1 large egg, 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. This could be 1 teaspoon, depending on if you're making savory or sugary crepes. You need 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/8 teaspoon or a pinch of salt, and you're going to need 2 teaspoons of unsalted butter, plus more for greasing the pan. Now you're faced with 2 options. You can A, hand mix the ingredients, or you can B, throw them all in a blender like I did. I suggest this option. Once your batter is blended, you're good to preheat your pan to about medium heat. When you can hold your hand above it like this for about 3 seconds before it's starting to burn, that's when it's at a good heat for the crepes. To measure out my crepes, I'm going to be doing 1/2 cup. This is a full cup, but whatever. Ooh, okay. So I am back. As you can see, I've already done 1 crepe. Working on another one right now. As to tell when it's done cooking, you should be able to free up the sides easily with a plastic spatula. If you don't have anything else, metal will work. It's just more prone to breaking them. The top side of the crepe should look pretty dry. Bottom side, just by looking at it, should be a golden brown color. In terms of the crepe being cooked, this is what I mean when you can easily pick up the sides with a spatula. This is the golden brown color you should be seeing under there. You can just flip it over when it's done. For the fillings of your crepes, you can really do anything. I chocked them full of Nutella because my siblings like it. Overall, I created a happy family with my crepes, and I hope you can too.